And the League of Logic is a shining example here. They've just been steadily advancing high school since anyone can retire.
Okay,
And my students were really transformed by the conferences that your students put on back in the 2017, 18, 19 era. We really, like, I had international students, they were meeting local students and they were just so excited. League of Logic, go to their conferences.
Credit goes to Kyle. Again, he has been really the backbone of the team and he's been driving it.
Yeah.
It's
So are you a teacher at the school? Or
no, I'm
a
not.
little mentor?
Yes.
So I think some of the things we might be able to accomplish in this time, maybe we can share some stories about how people have overcome the challenge of getting build space and or dealing with too many teams and or getting, like some of the measures that we're putting into place to help schools manageably and sustainably host teams. Oh, Indico? Very nice to see you. Team 854 representing from Lucky Grove Collegiate. We could just take a very brief moment to have Indico introduction. You just missed our round of introductions.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, that's okay.
We were
Yeah,
early, you're
We
on time.
were here early, so this is when we're
Yeah,
supposed to
teammate
start.
54 from Etobicoke. It's a quite old team. I'm a new teacher mentor, coach.
Is this your first season?
No,
No.
third one. So I'm learning and I also need a bit more